we'll guide you through how to use the Claude Dashboard effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude Dashboard website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you need to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, simply click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create one. Enter your email, create a secure password, and verify your account through the confirmation email sent to you. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The left-hand sidebar is where you'll find the primary navigation options, such as Projects, Analytics, and Settings. To start a new project, click on the New Project button, which is usually located at the top right of the dashboard. Give your project a name and select the appropriate settings based on your needs. You can add collaborators to your project by entering their email addresses in the Collaborators section. This will allow them to access and contribute to the project. Next, explore the Analytics section where you can view detailed insights and data for your projects. This area provides valuable information like user engagement metrics and project performance stats. If you need to customize your experience, head over to Settings. Here, you can adjust your account preferences, manage notifications, and connect third-party integrations if needed. Remember, the Claude Dashboard is designed to be intuitive, so don't hesitate to click around and discover its features. If you run into any issues, most dashboards have a Help or Support section. Check there for FAQs or contact support directly for assistance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.